Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Paysafe to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to find a verified and a trusted platform like a Paysafe, Wise Exchange if supported in your country, and also you can also find a buy-sell vendors or buy-sell vouchers. So this platform lets you sell Paysafe card to PayPal fund for PayPal fund. And here's the workaround. So you have to create an account, create and register on the chosen platform, then verify your email and your identity if needed. Then after that, you have to go to the sell gift card or exchange section, then choose sell Paysafe card, then click receive. From there, click on PayPal, then enter the amount and your PayPal email, then confirm and complete the trade. You will receive a slight less than the full value due to fees or trade rate. Then after that, once approved, the money will be sent to your PayPal account. Then transfer may be instant or take a few hours, depend on the site. And that's how you can simply send money from Paysafe to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video. Thank you.